Bullish Hive cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.61 and $3.04 by 2030. Market investigators accept Hive could reach $1.25 by 2025. Bearish Hive market cost expectation for 2023 is 28 cents. Hive presentation. Would you like to know where the Hive cost will go from here on out, and would you say you are looking for Hive cost expectations? We'll look at Hive's authentic value developments and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this forecast and some other value expectation ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market investigators. Likewise, it is hard to gauge whatever is great. However, be guaranteed, we'll give it our best go. What is the Hive? Hive, which went live on Spring 20th, 2020, is a blockchain-based monetary record and decentralized data sharing organization that utilizes the designated evidence of stake convention. Various applications for data trade are upheld by Hive. The biological system is cordial to content makers, clients, financial backers, and developers because of the various dApps, APIs, and front closes that add to a wide and basic openness of information, exchanges, and records. Tremendous volumes of content might be put away in Hive, which is intended to make that content accessible for time-sensitive adaptation. Virtual entertainment with paid benefits for content makers, intuitive games, personality the executives, casting a ballot frameworks, and microloans are a couple of instances of purposes. Fully intent on accomplishing far and wide stage and cash acknowledgement, the blockchain's usefulness is adaptable. Hive is strategically set up to become one of the top blockchain advances used by individuals from one side of the planet to the other thanks to its blend of charge-free exchanges and very speedy handling times. Crucial investigation of Hive value conjecture. Hive's ability for enormous exchange volumes, alongside its fast 3-second block stretches and charge-free exchanges, make it the ideal stage for growing profoundly intuitive applications that would lazily work on other blockchain networks. Besides, it centers in a particular strategy for getting around a subsequent layer plan for scattering application load among a few sidechains to allow versatility past the limits of traditional brilliant agreement organization. To defeat scaling issues, an application's allies can designate more computer processor assets as essential at the second layer to drive their favored applications without stressing over network clog brought about by other applications, while as yet getting the advantages of a common first-layer blockchain spine to ensure dispersed information uprightness. An unmistakable cutthroat climate for application designers is made conceivable by this versatility capacity. An expansive assortment of local area individuals, engineers, and financial backers that common a promise to decentralization sent off high. It isn't upheld by a particular club or association. As a worldwide association with no decent base camp, Hive has hubs, partners, and donors in a few countries. Hive involves the DPoS agreement system to execute decentralized administration for both programming improvement and choices about convention changes. It is feasible to choose block makers, otherwise called observers, through stake-weighted casting a ballot. As witnesses, they are expected to agree to permitting changes to the primary layer convention that all applications share. This makes a steady groundwork while permitting second-layer applications to rapidly develop. Each update to the convention is advanced, created, readied for, and did by means of an open Hive specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is hard to give 100% precise specialized examination for the Hive coin, you can see the amassed Hive trade rating continuously for the picked time span with this total specialized investigation instrument from TradingView. The three most famous specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the groundwork of the HIVE USD report. Hive current cost. Hive is as of now worth 35 cents USD. Hive has moved 3.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,805,869. Hive is as of now positioned 147 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $170,409,835 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Hive to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Hive market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Hive Value Forecast 2023. Hive, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Hive cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 53 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. averaging 50 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Hive is supposed to have a base worth of 42 cents. Hive value expectation 2024. In 2024, Hive cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hive will before long outperform 89 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Hive's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Hive will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 71 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 78 cents. Hive value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.25 and Hive might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Hive is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.14 and a low of $1.07 in 2025. Hive value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Hive effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Hive coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hive will be green in 2026. The Hive is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.61, with a base cost of $1.43 and a typical cost of $1.50. Hive value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Hive cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.86 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.79 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Hive has a most extreme value worth of $1.97. Hive value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.22. On the off chance that Hive figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.32. Neglecting to assemble the help Hive needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.15. Hive value expectation 2029. While Hive is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.50 and a yearly cost close above $2.68 in 2029. Hive value expectation 2030. By 2030, Hive will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.86 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.04. Averaging out at $2.93. Hive value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity,